Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailchimp for US-based e-commerce customer journeys, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Mailchimp for US-based e-commerce customer journeys, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free plan. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab on the left-hand side. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you want to work with for your e-commerce journey. Next, click on Manage Audience and then choose Settings. Scroll down to Webhooks and add a new webhook. In the URL field, enter the endpoint provided by your e-commerce platform. Save your changes to activate the webhook. Now, head over to the Campaigns tab at the top of the page. Select Customer Journeys from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Journey button to start a new journey. Choose a starting point for your journey based on the triggers you set up earlier. For each email, customize the subject line and content to fit your brand voice. Incorporate product recommendations, discounts, or other relevant messages in your emails. Once you've added all your steps, review the entire customer journey. Check for any errors or adjustments needed. After everything looks good, click on the Publish button to launch your customer journey. Your Mailchimp customer journey is now enabled for your US-based e-commerce audience. Monitor the performance of your campaigns through the Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize future customer interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.